wait a minute so people can join. Come live, and I'm here. So we can do some live videos today again. Hi, who is here? Who has joined the live? Please indicate in the comment section. Please, as you have joined the live, like the video, please. Just go ahead and like this video, please. Like it immediately, and if possible, share it for me. But go ahead and like. I'm not seeing your like. Please drop down comment section. Drop your comment down the comment section so I'll know you're fully engaged. I promised you guys I was gonna come live today. Apparently didn't come at the particular time I was supposed to come, but I'm here already, okay? Please like the video and comment. Like the video and comment. Let's wait for a few people to come in before we proceed. I think it's the ideal thing to do, right? Let's wait for a few people to join before we proceed into today's lecture, into today's topic. Let's wait for a few to join. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you. Please, can you comment on the comment section so I know who have joined the live? Okay. Is it Chinoski or is it Adrina? Please, who has joined the live? Can you indicate? Why crying? Everybody is crying. Please, who have joined the live, can you indicate if you have joined the live? I can't see any comments. Is it from my side? No comments. Is it from my side? Yeah, Otutoma, Kambos. I thought you guys I was gonna come live today, and I'm here. Is this Otutoma Kambos? Kedu Kimere Okambos? Oka Obasi. Kedu Kimere? Please reply me on the comment section when I say Kedu Kimere. I need you to reply me. So I'll know we are in the same space. Kedu Kimere? Please, if you're coming in, please like the video, please. Like the video, please. As soon as you come in, please like the video. Odemma. When I say Kedu Kimere, Okabos, you say Odemma. You say Odemma. It's okay if you forgot. We'll keep doing it. Odemma. When I say Kedu Kimere, you say Odemma. I don't know if it's ideal for us to wait for people to join before we can. Odemma. Yes. You say Odemma. Please, when you come into the live, please like the video. Tochukwu Nadi Ndewo. I hope today's lesson is going to be as much as interesting as yesterday. People that participated yesterday enjoyed the lesson. Yes. Please, they enjoyed the lesson. I hope Tochukwu Nadi, you're going to enjoy the lesson as well. Ndewo Onye Nkuzi. Tochukwu, I'm happy you wrote this in Ndewo very well. Nkuzi is teaching. Then when you put Onye Nkuzi, it means you're referring to me. Ndewo Onye Nkuzi means greetings, my teacher. Greetings, my teacher. onye nkuzi, onye nkuzi. So you got it right, Tochukwu Nadi, but you just missed one. You missed a word, onye. You're traveling, but listening. Where are you traveling to, Tochukwu? Where are you traveling to? Are you? Yes. Like my video, like the live. You can share. Please, you guys share my live. Share my live. When you share this live, more people wanna see it. Please, if you say anything, please, I beg you guys, share my live. Share my live. Share my live. Please share my live. Share my live. Share my live. Tochukwu, please like the video. Like the live, please. Ode mma. Okabase. Ode. O, you give space. D-I, you give space. Then N-M-A. I told you yesterday. Okabase. I told you yesterday. O, you give space. D-I, you give space. Then N-M-A. Ode mma. Ode mma. Please, Okabase, write it down on the comment section so I know you are following what I said. Ode mma. Ode mma. Please, if you come into the live, please like this video, please. Like this video, like this video, like this video. So in today's lesson, let's just go forward. So when you're joining the lesson, anyone you're missing, you just join along. Because if I decide to wait for people to come in before, yes, 9, mma, no, no, no. Okobase, mma, N, letter N, N, N for Nigeria, N-M-A, N for Nigeria, M for mango, A for apple. Ode mma, mma, N-M-A, 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 not M-O-N-E-A, N-M-A, Ode mma. Please put it down on the comment section so I know you're following up. Put it down on the comment section so I know you're following up. Please put it down on the comment section so I know you're following up. Please come into this live, like this video, please. Like this video, share it so people can get along and know that I'm doing live. The more you know. Okabose, check your keypad. I said any for Nigeria, N-M-A, N, letter N, N-M-A, mma, Ode mma. You're writing M for me. You're writing M-N-A. No. N for Nigeria. N for Nigeria. N for Nigeria. M for mango. M for mango. A for apple. Please put it in the comment section. It's going in and out. Why? Why is it going in and out? My network is very fine. Where is it coming from? The network had better not mess up today. Because it's perfectly fine from my end. I don't know where it's coming from. Okobase, well, put down what I just said now. I said N for Nigeria, M for mango, and A for apple. Ode mma. Ode mma. Mma. My connection, oh, your connection is bad. Yes, okay, your connection is bad. Sorry, my dear. Sorry, my dear, but put down the correct thing I just said now. I understand your connection is bad. Sorry for that. But put down the correct thing I said. Put down the correct thing I said. I'll wait for you. I said Ode mma. Ode mma. Mma. N-M-A. Is it the connection that is making people to be going out? Oh, Papa, can you hear me? I can't even see anybody on the live anymore. What's wrong? I can't see anybody on the live anymore. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? I can't see anyone on the live. Let me drop my baby first. Let me know what is wrong because I can't see anybody on the live. One person has joined. I don't know what is wrong with the live. I can't see anybody on the live anymore, so we can just start this lesson together. Is the connection still bad? Please, if the connection is bad, please put it down in the comment section so I know the connection is bad. Please put it down in the comment section so I know it's bad. You can hear me. Abe the best. Welcome, Abe the best. Toshku Nadi, I can hear. Okay. Toshku Nadi, you wrote Odema earlier, but you made a mistake. I was waiting for you to correct the mistake you made, but you're yet to correct it. Please, Tochukwu, I would like you to write on the comment section. Otutuoma one name. One name one, my sister. One name one, Otutuoma. Otutuoma, irarukwara ofuma. Irarukwara ofuma. Itetekwara ofuma. Keka abali gime. How was your night? Kedoka abali gime. How was your night? Do you know, I'm looking on this live where I can be writing things when I say, but I can't find it. Please, do you guys know how to do that? If I'm doing live, I can be writing things like what I said now. Kedoka abali gime. Kedoka abali gime. How was your night? I wish I can see where I can write it. Then I'll write it in English, then write it in Igbo as well, so you guys can be seeing as well. I wish I can see where to do that, but I can't see. Please, when you come into the live, please like the live and share in the comment section. Share the live, please. I'm looking for where I can be writing as well. This I can only see start a pool. I don't want to start a pool. What is this here? Put all messages. Oh, I'm just looking for where to this. I can only see pin message. I don't want to pin any message. Okay, let me try to pin this message now if I can see it. I just pinned the message now. Okay, this message pinned down, and I can unpin it. No, Tochku Nadi, let me spell it for you so you write it down for me. If I spell it and you write it correctly, it will actually make me very happy. That's why I'm very persistent on you writing in the comment section, because when you write down on the comment section, then I know you're following up. The way I do my life is I need people to be following me up, even if it's only 2 or 3% that is following what I am saying. I'm satisfied. But if you don't follow up, and if you don't put down in the comment section that you're following me up and you're understanding, then I won't be able to move ahead, because I need to know that you are following me up and you're understanding what I'm saying. Okay, Tochukwu, over to you. O the mma, O D-I. You know, I said D-I. I said O, you give space. D-I, you give space. Then N-M-U-A. N-M-U-A. N for Nigeria. Yeah, M for mango. Then O. Then A for apple. Please, if you're okay, Obase, thank you. It's okay. It's better now. Okay, I'm happy that your network is better now. Yes, Odema, okay, Obase, thank you very much. You have written it correctly. Yes, I'm gonna pin this your Odema right now. I'll pin this your comments right now. I'll pin your comments. Please, guys, if you look at the pin side, you see that I pinned the reply that Oka Obasi wrote down. Odema. I pinned it now, so if you come in, you see the correct if you come in now, you see the correct spelling. Tochukwu, please look at. Yes, Tochukwu, thank you very much. You have gotten the right up as well. You see, there was a mix up. You guys are mixing it up. That was just the only thing, like putting M at the wrong place, putting N at the wrong place. But you guys are actually following up. So thank you guys. Let's start the lesson for today. Okay, welcome everyone. You guys are coming in. I can only see 3 likes here. and more than 3 has come into this live, but they are not liking it. I don't know why. Okay, when you like this video and when you share this video, it actually helps me to go, other people to see this video. Please share this live, share this live. If you share this live, I'm actually going to know that you shared it actually, because I'm going to see it on my screen that you shared it. Okoba says share my life. Abia the best, share my life. Toshku Nadi, share my life. Share my life. You guys, what is it? Are you stingy of sharing this life? Don't be stingy. So today's lesson is I'm going to do like kind of English versus Igbo quiz. It's going to be a quiz, English versus Igbo quiz. I'll say something and I'll wait for somebody to write on the comment section the Igbo, what it means in Igbo. And if you don't write it, or if you don't know, when I say in the comment section that you don't know, then I say what it is. Okay, I'll say in English, to eat. What is to eat in Igbo? When somebody says to eat, remember I said Igbo quiz. That means English versus Igbo. Igbo quiz. English versus Igbo. So when I say to eat, what is to eat in Igbo? I'm waiting for somebody to write it down. Can you? Again, Kota ban someone ala lola. Kota. Can you? Maka again. Okay. Kebo bin. Just lo bin na kigu we be ba no. 1 miligi kilo se. Ngado se miligi. Ngwagaba. Achọkwa m ifu ga ebe ọzọ. Iri. Yeah, Toshukwu Nadi, yes. Iri. Yes. Iri. Yes, Iri. Toshukwu Nadi, you're absolutely correct. You're 100% correct. Adrena Okobasi, you are 100% correct as well. Yes. Omomo demma. If you can natural horse na akukum. Achọrọ ka ha ye muso bụ na ka ihe. To pick another place. Ngoje egwuregwu. They chose ka gị na egwuregwu. Hey, nwanne m nwanyị. Why you retract? Why ka esi ụtụtụ? Ụmụ dị mma abịa the best. Daalụ ụmụ gị kwanụ abịa the best. Kedu maka ụmụ gị? Ha dịkwa mma? Yes. So Adrena Oka Obasi, you're correct. I don't know why you retracted your message, Toshku Nadi, because you're correct as well. Both of you are correct, so you don't need to retract your message, Toshku, because both of you are correct. Iri, everything is the same thing. I'm so happy you guys are following up. Thank you very much. You guys are following up. And the next quiz here is, what is to have? To have in Igbo. When you say to have, what does it mean in Igbo? To have in Igbo, what does it mean? To have. I'm waiting for somebody to write it down. To have. What does it mean to have in Igbo? To have. I hope you guys are hearing me perfectly well. What does it mean to have in Igbo? I'm waiting for somebody to write it down. If you don't know it, just say I should write it there. Sorry, I should tell you. Because on this live, I'm actually looking for how to write something. Anyway, okay, Obasi, I hope you're not looking into any book. I'm beginning to suspect you. I hope you're not looking into any book. Okay, Obasi. Yes, because I'm beginning to suspect you. I hope you're not looking into any book. Yes, because you got it right. Anyway. So Toshukwu Nadi, I hope you're following up. I read the best. I hope you guys are following up. Yes, Inwe. And she got the spelling correctly. Inwe. Yes, Inwe is to have. And what is to do? I hope you're not looking into Google or looking into any book. That will not help you in this lesson. My sister, one lemon wine. I hope you're not looking into any book. Yes, you're free to write down. Yes, you're allowed to write down, but I hope you're not looking into any book. Yes, because when you look into a book or when you look into Google, then you don't put it down in your head, then you forget it easily. But when you're listening to me and I'm saying the correct answer, then it will help you to recall or to remember. Yes, those could not the email. Email. Please, guys, I don't want you guys to look into the book or to look into Google Translation or anything. But when you follow through that route, you won't save it in your head. But if you don't know it and I say it, you remember I said it. But I'm happy as well if you guys just know it. So what is to go? To go in Igbo. To go. Okay, to go. I'm waiting for somebody to write what it means to go in Igbo. To go. Okay. What is to go? Okay, okay, I'm writing them down and I have my notes. Okay. What is to go? Iga. Iga. Thank you so much, Tochku Nadi. Tochku, I hope you're not looking into any book and I hope you're not asking Google these questions. Please. See, this life, we are friends. We are friends, okay? And I'm not judging. Of course, I'm British. I'm not gonna judge you. It's better you don't know it, and I tell you, then you remember. But if you look into Google, then you don't remember. Okay, Iga. Tochku, that Iga is supposed to have point up and point down. That the I is supposed to have point up and point down. But if your keypad does not have it, then you don't worry about it. I'm just saying the spelling so you know. Point up and point down. Point up and point down. That's what the I is going to have. But if you don't have it on your keypad, I understand. Okay. What is to see? Okay, that's very good, Tochku. You're not looking into anywhere. Sister, can I be what's in here? Yeah, Mia. Una what is in here? Obin, I'm at Zniaka. Makaji go to I'm at Zniaka. AJ go to AJ go to Zniaka. What do you do? Una just never was. Makanku, where I weren't getting the see. Ihe ni jide ego wee gote ekwesịrị iweli ya. Oh she. Yes, Tochku Nadi, you got it correctly. Iga, that is how they spell it. Yes, Mba, I'm not looking into any book. Thank you very much. So let's go back to the next one. What is to see? What is to see? Yeah, ile. Yes, you can say ile. Ile actually is if I want to use Igbo Nzube, the central Igbo, I can also say ihu. You're correct, Tochku. I can say ile. I can also say ihu. Ihu is IHU. Ihu is IHU. Ile is ILE. They are both 100% correct. Ihu, IHU. Ile, ILE. The both of them are 100% correct. So let's go back to the next one. What is to give? Maka gịnị maka ọsị gụ magazin ebe ahụ na-akwụrụ ụgwọ ya nye m ozugbo m ga-ewechi ya azụ magazin ebe ahụ chizitelu ị ga ebe ahụ ọzọ m ga-agwada di give because to give in Igbo. What is to give? Inye. Yes, that's correct. Inye. Inye, you are correct. To give in Igbo is Inye. To give in Igbo is Inye. You are 100% correct. To give in Igbo is Inye. Inye. Yes. What is to know? To know in Igbo. To know in Igbo. What is to know? What is to know in Igbo? 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 Ima. Okay, Abase, you are nearly correct, but I would prefer you to say Ima. To know is Ima. To know is Ima. Yes, when you say Imara means you want to make a statement. Imarana ngabiechi. Do you know I'm going to come tomorrow? Imarana ngabiechi. Do you know I'm going to come tomorrow? Imarana ngabiechi. Do you know I'm going to come tomorrow? So when you say imara, it means you're yet to complete the sentence. Do you understand? Okay, boss. If you say imara, the person is okay. Imara what? Imara gini? Imara what? The person is still waiting for you to finish your sentence. But when you just got ima, it's just to know. What is to want? What is to want in Igbo? To want. What is to want in Igbo? What is to want in Igbo? To want in Igbo. What is to want in Igbo? What is to want in Igbo? Icho. Icho. Tochukwu, this is a very conversant with you. I love that. I love that. Are you sure you're learning Igbo, Tochukwu? Yes, you're very conversant with this, and yes, Icho. Okay, but it's okay. Tochukwu has written it down. That is Icho. To want. Icho. When you want somebody to say, it tells you. Okay, but say, Ichoro ego. Ichoro ego. This person is telling you, okay, do you want money? Ichoro ego. Do you want money? Okay, what is to say? To say in Igbo. What is to say in Igbo? What is to say in Igbo? To say. What is to say in Igbo? What is to say in Igbo? What is to say in Igbo? To say. What is to say in Igbo? What is to say in Igbo? To say. Yes, Iku, yes. Iku, you're correct. Oh, being a deba, name ya. I watch Nagas never also. What that kind of? I watch Nagas never also. And who makuna for bound? Who Nagas never? You're correct, Iku. And what is to follow? What is to follow in Igbo? She's the tello. I'm at Niaka, someone alone. What is to follow in Igbo? What is to follow in Igbo? Chizitelo moke ngwage. What is to follow in Igbo? What is to follow in Igbo? Iso, yes, Iso. Nadi, it's okay. This is the only one you don't know. Is it? Tochukwu, this is the only one you don't know, and it's okay. You don't have to know everything. Trust me. You have known too much. This is the only one you don't know. Yes, Okambos has written it. Iso. Okambos has written it. Iso. Yes. Iso is to follow. Is to follow is Iso. Is to follow. To follow is Isu. Yes, Nadi is really. I'm asking Nadi, what level are you in this learning Igbo? What level are you in? I don't think you're in preliminary level though. What level are you in learning Igbo? What level are you in? Nadi, the Isu, that I under the, that is only one palm. Only one palm, and it should be on the up and down. No, just on the up. Obinna, no leba nwa ekidosia. Aya dosia kwe nchago. Aya. Dosia. Ngagaba. These are my keys. I try as much as possible to what? I try as much as possible to speak Ndo. Ngabia. Ndo. Pass it again on wire. Ozugo. These are my kids. I try as much as possible to speak Igbo for them. Ndo. I try as much as possible to speak Igbo for them. Ndo. Ozugo. Ozugo. Akwasigi na ozugo. Makeda anonte. Awage heda anu. Ndo na fogofu.
No.
Ona fogofu. Eba na fogofu. Ndo. 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 I don't think you're a beginner level. I'm not singing though.
Okay.
But they go.
No.
It is okay. My kids. I try as much as possible to speak Igbo for them. It's not easy. Being intentional and speaking Igbo to your kids. It's not that easy. Okay, now, so I want to know now. Okuishi na Eba. Okuishi Eba. So, Eba no. But I ban someone ala lola. So
she crying.
Ona ga fa koishi. So guys, I want to know now if you guys are actually following up in everything I said. I mentioned about, I think it's about 10 or 11 or 12 or thereabouts. Can someone just put down everything I said? You said you were writing it out. Okay, just can you put down everything we just said? This Igbo quiz we did now, English to Igbo. This Igbo quiz we did now, English to Igbo. Can somebody write down everything we said now? I think it's about 10 words, right? Or 12. Can you write everything down? Can you write it down so I can pin it? Because I'm looking for where to write down things, but I can't actually write down anything. So it's actually difficult for me. But if someone can write it down, please, can you write it down? Hello. Okobasi, don't write it. Don't write it only once. Just type it everything together. Just type everything together and post. Just a little about what be na that climb. Be na gaga we call it sebe chimero. Ngap one je gube one. One ebe and je gube. Maze. Please write down everything at the same time and post. I don't want one. I want you to write everything at the same time. Then I will write everything at the same time. Then I will pin it. So anyone that comes in will see what we just did. Anyone that comes in will see what we just did. Please write everything down. Hello? You get voice note and send it. You get the voice note. I love my mom. I love my mom. Thanks to record. Thanks again. I want more send me a voice note. Can send the okay, again. My name is Igbo Language. Okay, you send your sister. You send your sister. I love my mom. You show to other than long issue maybe all maybe 67 long that then where say send the emails you can send everything but name my address and mail time okay forward all the stuff okay then learn about too much to more na log so what I mean say na log no answer can I call it I will live to reap the fruit of my labor, and I will live to testify the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. One more can happen. So I meant to send you the voice note. It was me acquire close to well. So close to couple me close to me and a voice note. We'll send dialogue. I'm not looking at. agagharị ma nwa ebe ọ kụrụ isi ya kịta bịa bịa akwa mana ọ kwụrụ ọgụ ọ dịrị ọkụ Zizi pụta ebe ahụ ama m kịta m ji eji ụmụazụ ka m kwụsị ize na that place eje eweta ihe ama m ka m na-esi jie nso ha bụ ụmụazụ na-eje ebe ahụ na stọrọ niile ha ji eweta kịta m ga return ya maka onye nji eme ụmụ stọrọ nwa esecha animal n'isi ya emechago baby emechago okay Chesitelo. Ngam. Okay. Chega mbochi ko dira kama kan we push ji. Chega mbochi ga. Zizi. Okwa ga aka. Okwa ga aka. Okay. Okay, man. Okwa Ma the boy akwara aka. Okay. The boy baso ebukuru ni an. Ademma. Sorry, teaching my girls how to defend herself. To eat, even to have, even. To go, Iga, you are not writing it correctly. See, I need to learn something on this life. I don't know if you guys, we don't know everything. I don't know do anybody have the knowledge of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mentioned 10. I mentioned 10 Igbo quiz, English versus Igbo. I mentioned 10. And what you're writing from you can, but I don't like it. I don't know if somebody has an experience. Hey, Obi. Ngade tukula nke izu eke. Ozugbo tukula nke izu eke. Na ozugbo. Ngade ba nke izu eke. Ozugbo. Zone ike obele. I mentioned 10. I mentioned 10. But I can see I don't know if somebody has any idea on how I can be doing life and be writing. Do you have idea of that? Please. If you have any idea, experience, let me know. They go na trampoline. Jenny ebe go phone ebe na emelu na aru.
No way.
Jenny shishe ba.
I will get shopping also. I will open on me.
Jenny shishi ebe nko lo kunje gu egu. Okay, do not let you space on your phone. It's okay, but what I'm saying is, do anybody have any experience on how I can be doing life and be writing? Iri to eat. Coach, you're 100% correct. You just made a mistake, and I'm sure it was typographical error. It's okay. Iri to eat. Can you correct that part so I can pin it? Iri to eat, not to have. Iri to eat. Iri to eat. Please, can you correct that part so I can pin that? I can pin what you just wrote. I need to pin that particular one. Please correct this. I'll pin it. Please correct this. I'll pin it. Please, can you correct that part so I pin it? You wrote it well. It's absolutely correct. Just correct that iri to it, so I can pin what you wrote, so that people can look from it. Please just correct only that part, so I pin it. Just only that one. Just correct only that one, so I can pin it. Just that one. But I've lasted 41 minutes on this live show. 41 minutes. Touch cookies, can you just correct only that one to iri to it, so I can pin it. Dizzy, this is no time. To look, it's correct. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. You didn't copy it. It's okay. Touch, it's okay. Don't write again. But iri is to it. I'm sure it was a typographical error. Also, can you guys ask me questions? Can you all? Ndo. Asị m jebe ọzọ, m hapụzi ebe a, jee n'ebe ọzọ. Any question? Question time. Any question for me? Hope you are drinking your water. I have a very bad habit of drinking water. Very bad habit. Very bad habit. Very bad. My mom tells me to drink water. Everyone tells me to drink water. Until one day, I read about the importance of water. Like, I know that water is important to drink, but then I now extensively read about it. This water is what helps your liver to function. All those food you eat, is this water that helps those food, you know. Do you know when you're blending tomatoes, or when you're blending all those things you're blending, you know, if you don't add much water, the blender wouldn't blend it. Like, it kind of seizes, so you kind of put water. That's how your body is. After then, I started drinking water. I try to drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Some people say I'm supposed to be drinking 3 liters or 2.9, But I know from researches I've done, you can drink 8 glasses of cup every day, and that 8 glasses of cup is 2 liters. So someone that doesn't drink water well, how will I jump to 3 liters? So I got myself this. So when I drink this 2 for the day, I've taken 2 liters of water, and I've been doing that for over a year now. It's not easy. So I hope you're drinking water. Okay, it's okay. I'm here. I'm here. Any questions? I'm here. It's okay. Any question? Okay. How will you do that? How will you do that? Okay, what do you call house in Igbo? What do you call house in Igbo? House. House. What do you call house in Igbo? That house you're living in, what do you call house in Igbo? Yeah, I've said the question. I saw your message. I saw what you say, Toshku. And the questions are coming in now. What do you call house in Igbo? What do you call house in Igbo? What do you call house in Igbo? Toshku, what kind of say? What do you call house in Igbo? No. Oh, I understand it, Toshku. You used dialect. Oyo. Oyo. I have a friend that says Oyo bo Oyo munage. Means the house is the house for both of us. Oyo bo Oyo munage. I understand why you said Oyo. It's dialect. In Igbo language, we have so many dialects. From Anambra, from Imo State, from Abia, from Ebonyi, different languages. But when you're teaching Igbo, and most of the languages all over the world, you teach the central. In Igbo, we call it Igbo Nzube. Igbo Nzube. I wish I could write on this live. I would have been writing so many things, but I don't know how to be writing on live. I don't know. I need to go more extensively and research on it because I just stay being more often on live. I don't know if anybody knows how to doing live and be writing. That would be very interesting for lessons like this. Yes, Olo. What I teach is Igbo Nzube Tochukwu. And this Igbo Nzube is Central Igbo. Something that whenever you come back and speak to somebody from the eastern part of Nigeria, being Anambra, be it Abia, be it Ebonyi, be it Imo, be it Enugu, the person will understand. Oyo, I understood Oyo because I'm a full-blooded Igbo girl and I speak Igbo right from when I was small. And I've heard so many different Igbo and I've lived in eastern part of Nigeria. So that's why I know that Oyo you meant is house. Because I know someone that says Oyo Munage. But the central Igbo is Ulo. Ulo, you got it correctly. Ulo. But that Ulo has to have points under the O and the U. But if your device does not have it, it's okay. Like Mocha Boss said yesterday that her laptop does not have those Igbo write-ups. But it's supposed to have full stop under the U and full stop under the O. Ulo. Thank you very much. I hope you understood what I explained, Tochukwu. What you wrote is correct. Remember I said this. What you wrote is correct. I hope you understood. Tochukwu, please talk to me. Talk to me in the comment section, Tochukwu. Talk to me in the comment section. What you wrote previously, Oyo, is correct. And I hope you understood why I explained that the Oyo is a dialect and we're teaching Central Igbo. Something that when you come in and speak, everybody will understand you, irrespective of the part of Igbo you are coming from. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we go back to the next one. What is school in Igbo? What is school in Igbo? School. What is school in Igbo? School. What is school in Igbo? What is school in Igbo? What is school in Igbo? I buy the best. Olo akwụkwọ. No, the spelling is, yeah, you got it, but you didn't get the spelling, but I know what you're trying to write. Olo is correct, but you have to put yes. Thank you very much, Toski. Thank you very much, Toski. You got it correctly. I'm going to pin your message. I'm going to pin your message now, your answer now, so everybody will see it. Toski got it correctly, and I pinned Toski's answer. Toski got it both in spelling and in writing, and where the points are supposed to be. Hold on, guys. Yes, Tosi got it correctly, and Tosi got it to the extent that he even got where the points are supposed to be. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to place this phone correctly so you guys can be seeing me properly. Yes, Toski got it, and I have never heard that one. I have to write that one down. It's okay, write it down. Today is quiz, English versus Igbo. That's what we're doing today. Anyone that you have not heard, it's okay. What you just have to do is write it down. That's why I pinned Toski's reply, because he got it correctly. Well done, Toski. What do you call office? Office in Igbo. What do you call office in Igbo? Office. This is what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys are interested. We're going to repeat these things tomorrow. What do you call office? You know, when you go to office now, you go to work. That building you go to, that workplace you go to, that building that they work that you go to, what is it called in Igbo? What do you want me to say again in Igbo? Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ is school. That Toshku's pinned comment is school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. What do you call office? Office in Igbo. Ụlọ ọrụ. Ụlọ ọrụ. Ụlọ ọrụ. U-L-O-O-R-U. U-L-O space O-R-U. Ụlọ ọrụ. Yes, but you have to include Olo. So school include Olo. Olo is house. All of them are house. Include Olo, then Oro. Olo Oro. Olo Oro. Olo Oro. Please write it correctly so I can pin it. Olo Oro. Kedu. Kedu what? Okay, boss. What is the kedu? Kedu what? Kedu gini? Kedu is how. Kedu is how. Can you complete your sentence? Kedu is how. In this particular scenario, when you say kedu, what you meant is how. So what do you want to know? Kedu is how. Kedu is how. Kedu. I can, well, in situations whereby you're my friend, you're my party already. In situations whereby you're my friend, you're my party already. Okay, boss, I'm talking to you. Never. It's okay, boss. Okay, boss. It's a situation whereby you're my friend, you're my party already. I can just meet you. Maybe I'm passing and we'll just meet on the road, and I'll say, Kedu. I'm asking you, how are you? I'm asking you, how are you? I just want to and say, okay, boss, Kedu. I'm asking you, how are you? But in this situation now, you can't be asking me, how am I? That Kedu has to be complete. You have to make it a complete sentence. Okay, let's move over to the next one. If you have any question, please put it down in comment section. Just write in English, I'll say it in Igbo. Okay, what do we say? How do we say hospital? Hospital in Igbo. How do we say hospital in Igbo? Hospital. How do we say hospital in Igbo? How do we say hospital in Igbo? Hospital. How do we say hospital? How do we say hospital in Igbo? How do we say hospital in Igbo? Hospital. How do we say hospital in Igbo? How do we say hospital? How do we say hospital in Igbo? Hospital. Ụlọọgwụ. Ụlọọgwụ. You are correct, Tochukwu. You are correct, Tochukwu. Please, if you're not following up, please on the comment section put down. Yeah, I bet the best. I've pinned the answer. Tochukwu got it correctly and I've pinned it. I bet the best. Tochukwu got it correctly and I've pinned it. Well done, Tochukwu. You're making me proud. What do you call bank? What do you call bank in Igbo? What do you call bank in Igbo? I bet the best. You are correct, my sister. One and wine. You are correct. You wrote hospital. Hospital is correct. You are correct? Hospital, but I'm asking the Igbo name of hospital. In Igbo, then you told me hospital. I bet the best. You have to be a serious student. Yeah, okay, boss, you wrote it correctly. Yes. What do we call bank in Igbo? What do we call bank in Igbo? What do we call Ulo ego? Ulo ego is house money. House money. Tochukwu, house money is Ulo ego. Bank is Ulo ako. Ulo ako. Ulo, they space it, they write AKU. AKU. Ulo ako. Ulo ego means house of money. House money. House money is Ulo ego. Tochukwu, please write Ulo ako. Ulo ako. Ulo ako. Yes. What makes sense, Tochukwu? Is it the whole ego? But you don't see ego on the body of the thing now. You don't see ego there now. What they write is bank. They don't write ego. Let me pin it so everybody can see it. What makes sense, Tochukwu? Is it that it makes sense to be called Ulo ego? Is that what you mean? Are you saying I made sense or you made sense? Who made sense? Did you say I made sense or you made sense? But you don't come to the bank and they write it. And they write it ego. Money. What they write there is bank. They don't write money there, they write bank. They write bank. Yeah, Ola could make sense, yeah. Yeah, thank you. You agree with me. Ola could make sense because when you come into the bank, it's written bank. Is where everybody saves their money. So in that bank, there are trillions, there are billions of money there, of money of different people. So it's a wealthy place, Ako. And mind you, in Igbo, well, someone that is wealthy is Ako. Onwere Ako means that the person is very wealthy. This man is very wealthy. In Igbo, we say, Nwoke a nwere Ako. Nwoke a nwere Ako. In Igbo, we say, Nwoke a nwere Ako, meaning this man is very wealthy. You understand? Because so much money is Ako. Yeah, Adrenal cap. Yeah, Oloro, you're correct. So let's go back to the next one. What do we call store? What do we call store in Igbo? You know the store you walk into to go and buy something. You walk into the store to go and buy exercise goods, to go and buy provisions, maybe milk, or to go and buy, different things. What do we call it in Igbo? The store you walk into to go and buy different things, groceries, different things. What do we call it in Igbo? What do we call it in Igbo? I'm here. I hear. But you're missing out something. To speak right, Olo ahia. Olo ahia. To speak right, Olo ahia. So I pin it. You're correct. Olo ahia. Right, Olo ahia. To speak I can pin it. To speak right, Olo ahia. So I can pin it. Olo ahia. These are Igbo vocabularies. Igbo vocabularies. This is called Igbo vocabularies for beginners. Igbo vocabulary series for beginners. I might still do a video and post it so you guys can just go over and watch it. If you agree with me, say yay. If you agree with me that everything I said now, I can do it in a video and post. Say yay. Say yay. If you agree with me that everything I said now, everything I'm teaching now, I should do it in a video as well and post on the channel. Say yay. So yes, I've pinned it all out here. Okay, I can see what you wrote and then I'll do that and I'll post it. Yes, I'll post it. So what do we call hotel? What do we call hotel in Igbo? Hotel. That hotel you can carry your and your bobo, you can do and have fun and relax and take morning breakfast. You don't think about going to the kitchen to make food. You wake up in the morning, go downstairs, have your breakfast, go downstairs, have your lunch, go downstairs, have your dinner, have fun, relax, Hotel. What do we call it in Igbo? Hotel. I am waiting for you guys. English lesson today. This is second one we're doing the vocabularies. The vocabularies. Okay, I'll post do a video on the both of them and I'll post it. Hotel is Olo Nkwari. Olo Nkwari. Nkwari. Olo Nkwari. I'll spell the Nkwari because you already know how to spell Olo. Nkwari is NK. Please somebody follow up. Go to NK WARI. NK WARI. Oh no, hold on, Kwari. NK WARI. Please write it. Hold on, Kwari. NK WARI. Hold on, Kwari. NK WARY. Who has written it? Somebody should write what I said down. Correct. Correct. Yes. You are 100% correct. So let's go back to the next one. What do we call church? Church. What do we call church? You know that place you go to worship. You go to worship every Sunday if you worship. You know, those places they go to worship every Sunday. What do we call it in Igbo? The place of worship. You go into the place, you have Reverend Father, or you have your pastor, or you have your reverend, or you have your deacon on the pulpit talking. What do we call it in Igbo? What do we call it in Igbo? That place you go into and worship. What do we call it in Igbo? That place you go into to worship. What do we call it in Igbo? If you don't know, tell me you don't know, so I write it. That place you go to worship. That place you go to worship, what do we call it in Igbo? The place you go to worship, what do we call it in Igbo? Okay, we call it Olo Oka. Olo space, then Oka, UKA. UKA, Oka. Olo, then Oka, you space it, UKA. Olo, you space it, then Oka, UKA. Olo Oka. Ndo. Ndo. Yes, Ula Oka, correct. Okay, what do we call a mosque? What do we call mosque? You know the place the Muslims go to worship. What do we call mosque? What do we call mosque? What do we call mosque in Igbo? What do we call mosque? 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 Remember Okambosi, just looking at the spellings of Tochukwu, because he's using the points under it. I understand that you said yesterday that your laptop does not have those points, but make sure when you're writing on the book, inside your book, you write what Tochukwu is writing and include those points. Yes. So what we call mosque in Igbo is Olo Alakoba. Olo, then Alakoba. L-U-A-A-K-U-B-A. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Please write it down, please. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. That's mosque, where they go to worship. Where they go to worship. Please write it down. Please write it down. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. Please write it down. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. A-L-U-A-K-U-B-A. Olo Alakoba. Please, somebody write it down, please. I don't know. I need to know. Some people, they do live and I don't know. I need to just find out. how they do life and write as well. So as I'm teaching, like something like example what I just said now, I can write it. No, so school A-L-U-A 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 K-U-B-A A-L-U-A K-U-B-A Ụlọ Alakụba A-L-U-A K-U-B-A Ụlọ Alakụba A-L-U-A K-U-B-A. So school, don't put any no. So school A-L-U-A K-U-B-A A-L-U-A A for apple, L for love, A for apple A-L-U-A K-U-B-A. Coach, please write it down. I'm okay about it. Please write it down. You guys not hearing me? A-L-U-A K-U-B-A A-L-U-A K-U-B-A A-L-U-A K-U-B-A. Who is writing it down? Who is writing it down? Thank you very much, Coach. You have written it down. Thank you very much. Let's go. Sorry, I'm threatening you guys to write it down. I don't know how to write things. I don't know how to do live and be writing on the screen. If not, I've been the person writing it down for you guys. But thank you, Coach, for putting it down. Thanks. What do we call playhouse? You know, where the kids, the indoor places, most times in abroad during winter, the kids also go out to play. But now it's indoor, not outdoor. The kids also go indoors to play, especially during winter or when there is cold weather. Maybe during the autumn, they still go outside to play, right? So what do they call that playhouse? That playhouse that the kids go to go and play. What is it called in Igbo? What is it called in Igbo? The playhouse that the kids go to go and play during winter or autumn. They still go outside the house to go and play outside where they go to play. Different activities inside the place. Different activities for kids inside the place. What is it called in Igbo? If you don't, so Chiku, you're close to it. Ulo egwu. You're close to it, but now I'll tell you. Ulo egwuri egwu. Egwuri egwu. E-G-W-U-R-E-G-W-U. E-G-W-U. What you're going to write in that thing you're missing is only R. Please put R beside that U. E-G-W-U-R-E-G-W-U. So put R, don't give spacing. Bring everything together. Put R in front of that U. After that U, put R, then E-G-W-U, which you have already written correctly. But just put R, you're missing R. Then bring everything together. There is no space in it. Olo egwuri egwu. Please add only R. R in front of the U. Then bring it together. R in front of the U. Then bring it together. No spacing. R in front of the U. Then bring it together. No spacing. Thank you very much. It's so correct. E-G-W-U, R-E-G-W-U. Olo egwuri egwu. Tochukwu, in a scenario, we can still use this egwu in this your own. When you say, Omazi na egwu egwu, means the children are playing. Omazi na egwu egwu. Yes, Olo. Okambosi is not correct. Please look at what I pinned. Alakoba, look at the pin. I pinned something. I pinned something from Tochukwu Nadi. There's something I pinned from Tochukwu Nadi. Olo Alakoba. I pinned it. I seen the pin. Am I the only one seeing the pinned comments? I pinned the comments. Obi Nahemia. I pinned the comments. Okabasi. Please look at it. I pinned the comments. That comment I pinned is the correct spelling. Look at what you spelled and the correct and the what I pinned. They're not the same. Tochukwu, do you understand what no. I'm gonna pin the other one now. Please, okay, Obasi, please look at my pinned comment. I pinned the comments because I want you to see the correct spelling and the correct answer. That thing you wrote is also not correct. Yes, but always look at what I pinned. What I pinned is the correct one. Always look at what I pinned before you write, because what you're writing is not correcting with what I pinned. It means you're not looking at what I pinned. Tochku, are you seeing the contents where you can use that first one you wrote? Tochku, please, I need you to write so I know you're listening. Are you seeing the contents where you can use that you wrote? When I say the children are playing, Omazna egu egu. Omazna egu egu. Egu egu. Then when I can write that EGWU, then I space it and write again EGWU. That is when I make this sentence. Omazna egu egu, meaning the children are playing. Are you understanding me? Tochku? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Okay, guys, I don't know. This live has 1 hour has gone already. We have done this live for 1 hour, 16 minutes, 58 seconds. Actually, 1 hour, 17 minutes now. I don't know if you guys enjoyed this live. Both of you participated so well, and I'm so happy that both of you have learned a lot. And also, what we just did Learn on live, I'll try as much as possible to bring it up on a video and post it as well, so you guys can go and refer to it. Make sure you go to my channel and watch most of my videos. Remember, and don't forget that I said earlier that phrases are what will help you to learn languages. You must learn phrases. Phrases are words. When you go to my channel, you see lots of phrases, lots of videos on phrases. I even posted one 2 days ago, but they've not watched it much. It's also 31 words, 31 Igbo phrases. Go and watch the phrases. It's the phrases that you combine together and make a sentence. Without phrases, no sentence. You have to know the words. You have to know the words. Phrases are words. You don't have to know the words like we just did now. We did vocabularies now. What we did now is vocabularies. They are words. They are phrases. Now you can use them and make sentence. So I have so many phrases on my channel. Go and watch them. Save on your watch later. If it's gonna be stressful for you, anyone you watch, save it to your watch later on your YouTube. Go back to try to watch one of my videos every blessed day. Spend time, even if it's 30 minutes or 1 hour, to watch any of my phrases video and some other videos I have on my channel. It will help you to improve on your Igbo sentences. It's not that difficult. I have a language I'm learning too, and I can speak 80% of it, and this is how I learned it at my old age. At my old age. So it's only you reading books and going to my channel and watching those phrases, vocabularies that will help you to make sentences. Don't see vocabularies and jump it. Vocabularies are what you join together and make a correct sentence. So guys, I don't know. I'm happy that you guys, even if it's you and Tochukwu that came up today. Yesterday it was Shinoski, Ada the Best, and Oka Obasi that participated. Oka Obasi and Shinoski participated very well, and I was amazed and they learned a lot. And today, Tochukwu Nadi also. Oh, you came so please, Bella, you came so late. Oh, so sorry. I'm going to be I don't know if you guys are interested for me to be live tomorrow. If you want me to be live tomorrow, please tell me. I'll be live tomorrow, 10 o'clock Nigerian time. 10 o'clock Nigerian time. Let me just put it this way. I'm not in Nigeria, but I'm trying to use the time that everybody can relate to. I'll be live tomorrow, 10 o'clock Nigerian time. Please don't be late tomorrow. Please, Bella. I'm so sorry. I just said it. I'll come on live tomorrow, 10 o'clock Nigerian time. It's okay you came late. Tomorrow is another day. But before we start a new topic tomorrow, I'll refresh everything we said now. And tomorrow you're going to put up everything I just said now on writing, and I'll pin it up tomorrow. So put it up on writing, and I'll pin it up. The first quiz, Igbo quiz that we did, English versus Igbo. That quiz that we did, to eat, to play, to go. Please put it up, and also put up the vocabularies that we just learned now, which is the hospital. Put it up tomorrow. We'll just go back to it, refresh our memories, then we'll enter a new topic. I hope I made sense. Yes. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and please don't be late. Let's just do 10 o'clock Nigerian time. So wherever country you are, you're in US, Australia, anywhere you are, just let's do it with 10 o'clock Nigerian African time. That's when I'll be up live. I've given you a task, so okay, I've given you a task. What we said now, tomorrow, you just come and write it, everything together, and I'll pin it. So if somebody is coming in, they'll see what we did previously, and even if they came late to the live, it's okay. Then the next day, the new topic we did, we'll pin it up for people that came late, so that we can see what we did yesterday. We'll do a new one, so that when people that mistakenly comes in late, like Theophilus Ebele can see what we did. So if you come late and you see the pinned comment section, you see what we previously did, you just learn it and join wherever you are. So don't forget I've given you a task. Okay, tomorrow, as soon as you come live, just copy and paste. Just go to your WhatsApp or anything. Write everything we just did now. Please write them correctly. As soon as you come in live, you copy it. Come to the comment section here and pin and send it in. Then I pin it. Okay, did you hear me? Okay, did you hear me before I go? When we finish, go to your message section. Type everything we said now correctly, because I was pinning every correct answer. Type everything we said correctly. Leave it on your this thing. I'll send it to yourself. Then when I come on live tomorrow, you just go to that place, copy it, and come to the comment section on the live and post it. Then I'll pin it. So anybody that comes in will see what we did yesterday. Then we'll refresh on it. Then we'll learn a new topic. Then anytime I'm gonna go live again, that last topic we learn will land. Okay, guys. See you. Take care. Bye. Safe journey, Tochku. Safe journey, Tochku. Safe journey message. Okay. Have fun and enjoy yourself. All right. Bye.